Hello beautiful people, Michelle Edhouse here, and I just wanted to show you this. This is a book put out by the amazing, phenomenal Rebecca Hulse, and one of my paintings is featured in the book. Look at this, yay! So for those of you that don't know me, I am Michelle Edhouse from Mickey Art, and I have a YouTube channel. I do a lot of beautiful paintings, and Rebecca reached out looking for people who would like to contribute to her book Rebellious Rituals, and for me that title just was like, oh yeah, because you know, when you are willing to just have some fun and do what's different to what is expected of you through parents, society, relationships of any kind, if you're being you, it's so much more fun. So Rebellious Rituals is a book that Rebecca's just released. In fact, it's formal release day today. If you'd like to get a copy of it, there is a link in the description to get it from Amazon. And this is one of those books where you go, oh, what's it going to change this? What's it going to take? And you pick up the book and you go, body needs love ritual. Or you go, I feel weird ritual. And you have a read through and you look at what Rebecca is offering. There's information, there is activities you can choose, there is all sorts of things in this book, and I'm working my way through it. I'm very, very grateful to have had an early release copy, and yeah, it's not your boring old book. As Rebecca actually says it right at the very beginning, I say fuck a lot. So this book says fuck a lot. See, look, page 7. And it is rebellious. It is that whole step beyond what the norm would do, and everything. And the tools, those of you that have been following me for a while on Mickey Art will know that I use the Access Consciousness tools, and that is what Rebecca presents in this book. She also is an Access Consciousness facilitator, and yeah, it's one of those books that if you are getting the tug, please buy it. It will contribute to your life. So anyway, that's my little promoting this book, and yes, my painting is in here. I was quite excited to see the page that she put it on. It is all about, let me find it. Where'd it go? Come back to me. I had a bookmark for the first one, now I haven't. Isn't that funny? It's so me. But it's all about being willing to step up and choose and create the life you desire. Get beyond the monotonous, boring stuff and step out, step up and choose. So if it reads for you, check it out. Have fun. I adore you all.